Hey guys, welcome back to Bankers Cafe. Hope you all were doing well. Today I am back with another video. In today's video, we will talk about the type of international current account maintained by one bank with another bank. So let's get right into the video. Basically, there are three types of international current account are there. First is the Nostro account, second one is Vostro account, and the last one is Loro account. So we will learn all these type of account in detail. Let's begin. Nostro account. What is Nostro account? Before understanding what is Nostro account is, we must know what is Nostro mean. Nostro means here our money with you, means our money with you, right? Now understand what is Nostro account. Nostro account basically is that type of international current account where one bank, that one bank is domestic bank. The domestic bank is holding a account with foreign bank in foreign currency, then that account will be called as Nostro account. For which bank it will be called as Nostro account? For domestic bank which is holding a account, for that bank it will be called as Nostro account. This type of account will always maintain in foreign currency. It can be maintained in any currency, means it can be maintained in USD dollar, it can be maintained in Canadian dollar, it can be maintained in euro, it can be maintained in GBP, it can be maintained in any foreign currency. So basically Nostro account is that account which a local bank opens with a foreign bank in foreign currency, right? That is called Nostro account. Now let's understand what is Nostro account through this diagram, right? In this diagram we will understand what is Nostro account from State Bank of India point of view. After that we also discuss what is Nostro account from this Citibank point of view as well as. So in this figure we will first discuss what is Nostro account from State Bank of India's point of view. Let's understand this diagram. Here there were two different countries were there. First is India and the second one is the United States of America, right? This State Bank of India is located in India, whereas the Citibank is situated in United States of America. Both banks were located in different country, right? Here the State Bank of India is opening a current account with Citibank, which is located in United States of America. So here State Bank of India is opening a current account with Citibank in foreign currency. Then that account will be called as Nostro account for State Bank of India. Why? Because here Citibank, that State Bank is opening an account with Citibank in Citibank country, right? So for State Bank of India it will be called as Nostro account because the SBI is opening account. The bank which is opening an account with some different bank in different country in different currency, then the bank which is opening, then for that bank it will be called as Nostro account. Here is the summary of this figure. Here State Bank of India opens a current account with Citibank in USD dollar in United States of America. Here SBI is opening a current account with Citibank in United States of America with in foreign currency. Then for State Bank of India, it will be called as Nostro account. So in this figure, we have learned what is Nostro account from State Bank of India point of view. Now we will learn what is Nostro account from Citibank point of view. Right? So basically here Citibank is opening a current account with whom? With State Bank of India, which is located in India. So Citibank is opening a current account. For Citibank, it will be called as Nostro account because here Citibank is opening an account with SBI. So SBI is maintaining an account of Citibank in Indian rupees, means in Indian currency. So this is the summary. As Citibank opens a current account with State Bank of India in INR in India, then it will be called as Nostro account for Citibank. Basically, Nostro account is what? It is an account which is opened by one bank with different bank which is located beyond the region of that bank. Then the bank which is opening a account, then for that bank it will be called as Nostro. Right? Let's move forward. Vostro account. Vostro account basically stands for account where your money is deposited with us. Means Vostro account basically is that account where a foreign bank holds a current account with our bank in our country, in our currency. Then that bank will maintain an account with our bank in our currency in our country. Then that is called Vostro account. Means if we talk about what is Nostro account, then Vostro account is that simple that account where a foreign bank holds an account with any local bank in local currency. That is called as Vostro account, right? So this Vostro account will always be maintained in local currency, whereas Nostro account will always maintain in foreign currency, but Vostro account will always in local currency only. Now let's understand what is Vostro account through this diagram. In this diagram, we will understand what is Vostro account from State Bank of India point of view, right? Here, the Citibank, which is located in United States of America, is opening an current account with State Bank of India, which is located in India, right? So here Citibank is opening an account with State Bank of India. So the bank which is opening an account, for that bank it will be called as Nostro account, right? For the State Bank of India it will be called as Vostro account, because the State Bank of India is maintaining a current account of Citibank. State Bank of India is maintaining a current account of Citibank in India in Indian rupees. Then for State Bank of India it will be called as Vostro account, right? But for Citibank it will be called as Nostro account, right? In this figure what we have learned what is Vostro account from State Bank of India point of view, right? So here Citibanks open a current account with State Bank of India in Indian rupees in India. Then it will be called as Vostro account for State Bank of India, but it will be called as Nostro account for Citibank because Citibank is opening an account. So for Citibank it will be Nostro account, for State Bank of India it will be Vostro account, right? Now in next figure we will understand what is Vostro account from Citibank point of view. Here, State Bank of India is opening an account with Citibank, which is located in United States of America. So here SBI is opening an account. For SBI it will be called as Nostro account. But in this figure we were learning what is Vostro account. So for Citibank it will be called as Vostro account, because the Citibank is maintaining a current account of State Bank of India in the local currency. Local currency means the Citibank of United States of America is maintaining this account in United States of America currency, right? So Citibank is maintaining account of SBI in their own domestic currency, means the currency of United States of America, that is USD dollar. So here basically Citibank, that State Bank of India opens an account with Citibank in United States of America in USD dollar. Then it will be called as Vostro account for Citibank, but it will be called as Nostro account for SBI, right? So as far as we have learned what is Nostro account and Vostro account, one key point which we should remember, that an account which is Nostro for one bank is always a Vostro account for another bank. Means whenever, as in this picture we have learned that for State Bank of India it is Nostro account, but for Citibank it is called as Vostro account. So what we have learned from this? We have learned this: if an account is Nostro for this bank, then it will be Vostro from another bank. Means an account which is Nostro for one bank will be called as Vostro for another bank, right? So you must remember that point. Now the last account is Loro account. What is this Loro account stands for? Loro account basically is that account which is opened on behalf of the third party bank, right? Basically it is that account where one domestic bank uses the Nostro account of another domestic bank to settle any sort of foreign exchange transaction. In order to understand Loro account, let assume situation wherein a third bank, right? Let's understand with this figure. This is the diagram of Loro account. Now we will understand what is Loro account, right? Now in order to understand a Loro account, let assume situation wherein a third bank is named as HDFC Bank, right? And it need to carry out a trade transaction with Citibank, but neither the HDFC Bank has an account with Citibank nor Citibank has an account with HDFC Bank. Then in that case what would happen? How the transaction would be carried out? The answer to this would be Loro account, right? So Loro account is basically a current account maintained by one domestic bank for the another domestic bank. So here HDFC Bank does not have any current account with Citibank and it uses State Bank of India Nostro account. HDFC Bank is here using the Nostro account of State Bank of India, which is maintained with Citibank for some transaction, that is called Loro account. That Loro account will be called for HDFC Bank. In simple, Whenever a third party bank does not hold any account with its correspondent, then for that bank it will be called as Loro account, because this bank is now will use the nostro account of this bank which is maintained with this bank to carry out its foreign trade transaction, right? So here HDFC Bank is using the nostro account of State Bank of India to carry a financial transaction. So it will be called Loro account for HDFC Bank. In simple word, we can say that whenever a domestic bank uses the account of a third party bank which hold a nostro account to settle the foreign exchange transaction, then these type of account are called as Loro account, right? In simple, or we can say that whenever a domestic bank who possesses a bank account in foreign currency, means the possessing a nostro account to clear or settle the due of foreign trade on behalf of any third party bank, and for that bank it will be called as Loro account, right? This is all about my video. Thanks for watching. Keep learning.